How to use TikTok to grow your business. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Loveto Nazareth, digital marketing industry expert for the last 20 years, and today I'm going to talk about TikTok, what it is and how you as a retailer or a business owner can benefit from it. Ever since I started the channel, I've received more than 1,000 messages about TikTok and how people can grow their business with it. So if you want to know how to use TikTok for your business, stick around. This is going to be fun. Now, TikTok is a social media platform that is used to create and share short, bite-sized videos. You are able to share them within the app as well as out of the app on other content sharing social media platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, so on and so forth. With over 500 million active users and with 1 billion plus daily video views, TikTok is one of the most popular social media platforms the world has ever seen. It appeals to people of all ages and is without a doubt one of the fastest growing platforms among the youth segment across all types of demographic and interests. Now, due to this ever-growing popularity of this app, business owners are harnessing the power of TikTok to promote their brand and create very specific brand awareness. Should you consider advertising on TikTok? Now, since TikTok is a short form video sharing social media channel where you can make, share and simultaneously discover other short music videos, it is fantastic as an advertising medium if you want to target teenagers, tweens or young adults. With its interactive format and innovations like the hashtag challenge or AR filters, it actually enables your brand to do so much more than just advertise a video. It allows your audience to immerse themselves completely in your brand and create that user-generated content that is shareable and viral. Now today, TikTok is seen as a platform where you can actually showcase your brand's funny side and create short-form videos that excite, educate and entertain. Using this as a marketing strategy, your brand can appeal to a younger Generation Z audience using demographics as a marketing tool. Now, you would always want to know what are the different types of TikTok ads that you can run. Now, if your brand audience matches with the app, you would need to understand the kind of options that these ads provide. So let's get into that. First one is the brand takeover. A brand takeover on TikTok is a full screen ad that appears in the wall before the user generated video appears. It's one of the most expensive ad purchasing options in TikTok, but it's actually worth it. The size of the ad can be 3 to 5 second GIF or a 3-second image or a video that lasts for about 3 to 5 seconds. These ads are used to make a backlink for a business profile or a hashtag challenge. So it's kind of a stop there kind of visual. Brand takeovers have exclusive operations to help many brands place their ads, and it allows one brand per day in that ad section based on the category it specifies. So based on that, your ad will be displayed on a particular day. The full screen ads therefore help draw the user's attention as it's exclusive. A brand that is seeking to get more exposure and recognition within that particular demographic segment will use these ads perfectly. Now, another very good one is a native video ad. Now, after a lot of speculation in 2019 whether TikTok was actually getting into native video ads or not, Finally, in 2020, that became a reality. And now TikTok, as we've found out on their website, offers several types of video ads on that platform. The first of which is BuzzVideo. Now, the BuzzVideo ad provides an in-feed ad as well as a detailed page ad. You could even go with a story ad with that. Now, some of the other formats available are TopBuzz and Babe ads, which also feature in-feed and a detailed page ads. Now, all of these put together, you can find out more information on our website if you go to www.prism-me.com. The third type is brand lenses. Now, TikTok is readying the launch of a new augmented reality ad format as a popular video app continues to rapidly ramp itself up and its product app development to bring itself in line with likes of Instagram and Snapchat. Now, the AR brand effect ad will allow TikTok users to add interactive visual features from advertisers to their TikTok videos that interact with the physical environment around them. According to people familiar with the plans, a car could zoom the length of a kitchen table, or the creator could interact with an advertiser's mascot as it bounces around the room. For example, these ads will be clickable and feature music that plays as the user shoots their video. The exact name of the ad product may change when it launches, and the global rollout is due at some point during the third quarter of 2020, and the pricing is still unknown. But it's a fantastic format for you to explore. Hashtag challenge. TikTok users love creating content through hashtag challenges. If they are set up correctly, hashtag challenges can go viral and give your brand a boost so quickly because a lot of people join this and generate content by themselves. Participating in hashtag challenges is incredibly easy for all your content creators, as it does not take more than a few clicks. This ease of participation is a huge benefit for brands. As mentioned above, hashtag challenges are driving enormous engagement on the platform, and one of the reasons that users can interpret challenges in their own way. While there are some introductory videos guiding users on how to do the challenge, there are actually no wrong or rights when you're doing a hashtag challenge. Even if you're joining an existing challenge, you can come up with new ideas and perform uniquely. This diversity and the massive room for creativity is what makes TikTok so entertaining and successful. Finally, why advertise on TikTok? If you use TikTok right, you can introduce your product and business to a larger audience using its influencer marketing solutions. Having 500 million users, it's been the most downloaded app for the iStore in the year 2018 and the best app to run your social media marketing campaigns on, which enables you to communicate with youth between the ages of 16 and 25. Check out how you benefit from the advertising on this social media channel. First of all, you need to determine if it's the right platform for your brand. So before you start advertising on TikTok, here are some of my top tips for you to consider. Step 1. Research if TikTok marketing is right for your brand. Now, you don't want to join a social media channel and have your audience know that you're not sure of what you're trying to do. To fit into this culture effortlessly, you need to study what kind of content works and how to interact with users on the social media outlet. Believe me, creating a wrong video can be really embarrassing and very awkward. TikTok is all about fun and content that is visually appealing to the eyes. Trending pages include all types of silly videos performed on recent hit songs. There's no place for serious sales pitches or argumentative approach on this platform. To find success on TikTok, you need to interact with an audience primarily in the age of 16 to 25 in a very creative and unique way. A digital marketing company like Prism, plug, can help you maximize your visibility on the channel. Now remember to focus on creating fun content. Now, since you know of all the creativity and fun that you see on TikTok, You yourself need to create some fun and unique content of your own. Creating your own content is the most pocket-friendly and easiest way to boost your business on this platform. One of the best benefits is that you really don't need a branding or an advertising agency to create high-resolution, fantastic videos. You can just pull out your phone and start recording. Creativity is literally sitting in your pocket. If it doesn't suit your brand style, avoid any wacky videos or outrageous memes. A simple, light-hearted video that showcases your product with music as the background can go a long way and do wonders for your business. Remember to create a hashtag challenge. Now, a hashtag challenge involves motivating the users of this app to create content and add your branded hashtag to the same. For example, the brand Guess encouraged TikTok users to shoot themselves wearing their denim line with the hashtag #InMyDenim. These kind of challenges not only help promote your business, but also drive users' engagement and interactions. Step 4. Harness the power of TikTok influencers. Now, we agree that there isn't a huge market for influencers on TikTok yet. But believe me when I say this, there will be a time where you can widen your reach by working with influencers which are relevant to your brand, of course. For best results, make sure that the influencer's audience matches your audience perfectly. If you're looking for the right influencer to promote your business, look for online tools that allow you to search individual bios on TikTok and look for the most favored languages or most favored influencer audience, etc. These are a few things that will help you differentiate from the rest. Here is the million-dollar question. Why should your business join TikTok? Now, TikTok is relatively new in the market. Needless to say, it's far easier to make a prominent presence on a platform with less business competition. If we talk about paid promotions, then TikTok is actually way cheaper than social media platforms like Facebook and LinkedIn. Let me give you an example. It's a fantastic way for your business to get in when the app is still young and grow your audience base. It's an informal platform that gives your business the opportunity to explore and think completely out of the box. Furthermore, it helps tap the highly engaging Generation Z market by catering to content directly created for them. Now, it's not rocket science. All you need to meet your audience where they are and what they are watching is to create content that appeals to them. Now, if they like the content that you put out, they will definitely follow you and your following will grow. So if you are in the retail or the brand industry and want to take your brand or business online with TikTok, Snapchat, or any of the Generation Z apps, or if you ever need help with kickstarting your own personal TikTok channel or for your website, comment below or WhatsApp me on 055 85 00095 and I'll be more than happy to assist you. If you like the content I put out, please like and share this video with others who can learn and benefit from it. Until then, stay happy, stay blessed, and remember that the journey to 1 million followers starts with the creating of the account and making your first TikTok. So go out there and start making content now. There's no excuses for not making content. Thanks for watching and stay blessed. My next video is going to be a killer one. We've partnered with Google and done a deep search into how speed is the killer differentiator in the e-commerce game and how every millisecond that your site takes to load costs you dollars. Interested to find out more? Please stay tuned. Oh, and yes, please subscribe to our awesome newsletters in the link in the description of this video. So till then, thank you for watching. Take care. Be safe.